Okay, the next self-defense move we're gonna do tonight is called the sleeper. It's done. We're gonna do this one tonight also off of a traditional thrust punch. So I'm in my fighting stance. As he comes at my chest with that thrust punch, I'm gonna sidestep to the outside and block with an open hand. I'm gonna hit the ribs with my right hand. I'm gonna bring this up against his neck. I'm gonna hit the carotid artery with that. I'm gonna reach in and grab. When I reach in and grab, I do not let my hands bend. I keep it stiff and I pull them in. I'm doing a side neck choke here, what some styles call an arm triangle. I step behind his leg if I want to, or I can step back from here depending on how he is, all right? So I'm gonna step back. I step back, pull him down, drop to my knee here, and squeeze the choke on him, okay? Take it up, we're gonna show it from the other side. So one more time from here as he comes at me, sidestep, block, hit the ribs as I move in. Hit the carotid artery as I lift his arm up, grab my own hand, pull it in. Take my left leg, step back and pull him down, and then from here I'm on my knee with my left leg up. I pull and press the choke. All right, go work on it.